Hi, I'm Coraleen from Natural V. It's your favorite. I have you all outdoors today because I want you to see the project that we're getting ready to start. It will start on Tuesday. Um, I've had a garden out here with the raised bed and the bed in the ground for about 4 or 5 years, and so now because the bending is kind of getting to me. You know how it is when you get a little, elderly there. Um, I decided to do something different. And so, what I'm going to have is a patio, and my garden will be in containers. And so, we have a table and an umbrella. And so, I wanted to show you what it looks like now. But you will see um, day by day, because what I'm going to do, I'm going to video the progress, the first day, second day, third day. It's going to take about a week, they said. So I'm really excited about it, and I think you're going to be excited about it as well. So thank you for being with me, and I want you to all have a blessed day. Bye bye. Hi, this is Coraline from Natural V. It's your favorite. Remember, I told you that they were starting on the construction Tuesday. So today is Tuesday. So I want you to see what they have done. And when you saw what was done the first day, when you saw what was done um, before they started this, they cleaned up a whole lot. So I'm really excited. It's going to be really nice. So I just wanted you to see. So all of this is going to be by the door here. That's going to be patio too, and it's going to extend all the way out where you see the yellow string. That's where the patio is going to be, and around where I'm standing, and around the edge of the fence is going to be the garden. And so I look forward to showing you what tomorrow will look like. I'm excited. All right. Bye. Hi. This is Coraline from Natural V. It's your favorite. I am so excited about the progress of the patio. So I want you to look. They did a whole lot today. They built the foundation and they laid the pavers. So, it's coming together very fast. So, yeah, take a look at it. And again, like I said, around the edge of the fence, I will have containers where I will be growing my garden. And over here, there is a space that I can put a vertical container garden as well. So I look forward to having you back tomorrow, and like and subscribe. So God bless you. Thanks for being with me. Bye. Hi, I'm Coraline from Natural V. It's your favorite. All right, this is the next day. This is the third day that they have worked on the patio, and it's amazing. So just take a look. It is amazing. So let's look around here. This is nice. And another thing too, I need to let you know, it looks bigger this way than it did when I just had the garden and the mulch and stuff like that. But it looks so much bigger now. And so they won't be here tomorrow, so I won't be videoing, but they will be finishing on Saturday. Can y'all believe that? This was a quick process. And also, just to let you know, neighbors have been coming already to look at this. So um, I will have the furniture here and the umbrella and the rug, all of that, and the garden will be all set up and finished on Saturday. So I look forward to seeing y'all for the final project. Okay, bye-bye. Hi, this is Coraleen from Natural V It's Your Favorite. Well, I promised you that I would show you the final product of my patio project. Well, here we are. They are finished. And so they finished it yesterday. And so once they finished it, they put the pots up with the organic soil in it, the gravel, the umbrella, and the table. And so it's just beautiful right now. So I just wanted you to see what it all looks like. And I have a rug, it's the gray and white to, pop out the colors. And I wanted different colors of the pots. Yeah. And so it really looks a whole lot bigger than it did when I had just the garden. And over in this corner, I'm going to have a vertical garden here, but that has not arrived yet. So I'll be able to plant my shaded vegetables over this side and my sunny vegetables that take more sun over this side. So that's it. And like I said, I just wanted you to see it, how it all turns out. One thing about this umbrella, I will say that it does turn, you know, um, you know, so that when I want to this side to get more shade, more sun, I can just move the umbrella to this side, rotate the umbrella, and then put it down, and then put it back up and put it back over, in the place where it needs to be. So I'm just really excited about it. I can do more things out here, enjoy my yard, my patio. So thanks for being with me, and you all have a blessed day. And it is Mother's Day, and I want to just say happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Bye. God bless you.